Shit, I got this nice McLaren hoodie.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Can we get the new? The new John? Please?
Fields suck so much.
Can I get the new John? Can we get the new John?
I'm gonna say, can we just get a game?
Facts. I'm trying to like center
Oh, fuck
myself
me.
with my webcam, but it's difficult.
Justin Fields crying.
Yeah.
Pavka? Question mark? Pavka?
Yeah. So,
Snake? Snake. Snake.
Snake. Whose horse is that?
Snake. No snake. Snake! Let's make a snake. Yeah. Damon, help.
Hey, yo. Sick cowboy hat, man.
I have this McLaren hoodie on. I'm not trying to get it dirty, man.
Oh my god.
I'll conduct it though.
Alright.
But
Just kidding, she's dancing. I'ma watch.
Hey, bitch.
Yeah, fuck her up. Everybody
Hey.
fuck her up.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Dana, what are you doing?
we get it.
What the hell was that?
Hey, yo. Hey, yo, Dave, what are you doing?
What the hell is that? Damn,
Damn.
but everyone wants to run a train.
God damn.
On this
Getting her ass kicked. God damn.
bitch. God damn. I hope she actually lost health for the game.
All damage from warm up translates over. If all damage translates to the actual game, she'd literally just go straight to the menu and it would say, "You've been timed out for 4 more games. There was too much damage done." So much damage, it was like 4 deaths. That's crazy. I want to switch seats, but I can't. Like, it says player already in seat, but like, there's definitely hella seats available.
Already in a seat.
Ooh, did we just go to the end? Or no, it's gonna end in the ocean. Never mind. I was gonna say we could go to the end and kill people, but
And myself.
Looks like about a team. Are we the other team?
Oh shit, there's 2 teams.
I'm changing to the garage
And
building.
then
Oh, yeah. There's your
I'm going
team.
garage
the
building.
one I just landed on.
Yes, I'm with you. I'm in the garage.
Oh, wow.
God damn, there's no guns.
I'm in my mom's garage.
Give me mom's car. Fuck off.
Vroom, vroom.
Shotgun shells, but no shotgun. Dylan, you good? You find something yet? I'm sliding over a building.
Over here from your
Oh, over here, Dylan. If you come this way, there's one at the far end of the neighborhood.
Why is my mic cutting out, or is
Like
that you?
Way over by the
There
west.
is one over here?
I think it is you. Because you're cracked out just a little bit just now. West end of the neighborhood, I heard one.
I'm gonna come up front.
I almost shot this baby in the chair,
Can
dude.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right.
Oh, it's doing it again a little bit. I think he's over one more.
How about now?
You're good now.
No, push it.
Oh, he's out here on the street. Oh, Jesus.
That was me.
I think he was out on the street.
I
Nope,
saw
he's in
him.
this house. He's right here in the window.
Damn, Damon.
Hurt like shit right now.
Yeah, I believe it.
Oh,
Hold up. Hold up!
His buddies are gonna roll up. Let's not be stupid here.
damn!
No way
Oh,
his buddies
God.
don't roll up. Wow. There's more shotgun shells, Joe, if you need them.
You know I'm gonna put that to work. I'm gonna put these shotgun shells to work.
Anybody have a wee bit of heals?
I'm using bandages right now. I can give you what's left.
No. I have
Here.
an energy drink, but you already have some adrenaline.
I need adrenaline. Here, Damon.
I bet.
Joe, I got you with a
Hold up.
drink at the shed.
Hey, yo,
Oh
they're throwing
my
C4
God.
around. Damon, come in here. Bandages.
Oh my lord.
I need a bandit.
Is that a Panzer Fist or was that a C4? I think I have Panzer Fist in this one.
How
They're
could
around
I
here
be
somewhere.
homophobic? My bitch is gay.
They're on this building.
Why don't you slide back some, Joe?
Oh my.
Damn!
Jesus.
That was dirty.
Did you see that bunny hop?
Or
Did you see that?
Yeah. It's fucking dirty.
That was gross.
Recorded it.
That was gross.
Oh my gosh. It was in his head, dude.
Yes.
Damn. That... No, that was nuts.
That was gross. The little bunny hop. Dylan seen it. I was like, oh,
No.
he's right there. Yeah, he went instant. He went instant. But that doesn't explain the
I think there's still
C4.
another squad
Yeah,
here.
the other squad was probably chasing him down. Oh, in this building right here. I hear
EMP
footsteps.
gear. Here I come.
Which one?
Yellow.
Oh, yeah. Left or... Oh, my one in front of me, Joe. Yellow.
Jumped out the front. Ran across the street to restaurant.
He's hurt. He's fucked up. He's mad fucked up.
Oh, all my guns on fucking single fire right now.
Let me get an assist for that. That's one.
That's one. There's one.
One. One.
Keep in mind the circle,
one.
boys. There's a
One.
car right there.
Yeah.
Just keep an eye on the circle. Get ready to evacuate.
Get any goods on him? Oh fuck! I don't know where from.
Oh, they up top.
Help.
They up top. Stay right there. Though. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
He ran inside.
Oh, that up top.
Yeah. Challenge me again.
Oh, he got me with the SKS in this house. I'm in this house. I'm good.
You safe?
Yeah, he's safe.
Alright, I'm gonna come
Yes.
back to you as soon as I pop this.
I'm in this room. Joe, he about to try to slide, Joe.
I got eyes on them. I'm watching them. I'm babysitting.
You need heals? They might have first aid.
Let me get that. Here it comes.
One's down.
There you
That
go.
one. No, only one came. He's down.
Where are the other
It's
ones
going
at?
up now.
Is he?
Good shit.
Go.
Guys, I'm playing so filthy. I just jump shot at that one. We're standing on right there, Dylan.
Sick. I'm just taking 5-6. I have a
I need to replace
fucking,
my
ooh, 8 times on.
vest. It's completely gone. They took my vest out. God damn.
8 times for you, Damon.
Just scoop it. I'm sure.
6, 5, 6. I'm fucking people up with the shotgun. I think I'm gonna keep it. Any adrenaline? Any adrenaline?
I have one more painkiller.
Hold on, we'll look at this one right here. You never looted this one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need it. I'm going to grab the car. I'm not gonna worry about adrenaline yet. I'll wait till we get in. Filthiness happening.
Yeah, let's get ready to roll. You got the whip, Joe?
Yeah, I thought I saw a dude.
Well, you dropped the boss.
It is a
Thought you saw a
two-seater.
dude, or you did see a dude? Fuck. Better get to running.
Damon's already in something.
Oh, sweet. I think he has a bike.
I found a bite.
There's a Dacia
that'll do
over
though.
here. Y'all want to take the
Hey,
Dacia?
wait, come here though. Come here though.
We're coming.
Wait, no, we
Where's the
got-
Dacia?
In the
Back
garage, right there, to your
No,
left.
we got more.
Always spawns over there. Right. Over there.
Oh, gotcha. I'll grab it.
I was
You're good,
gonna heal y'all up with the EMT gear.
Oh. Nah, we don't got time for that. Dylan, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Oh, he's
I was
on
grabbing
a bicicleta.
protein
Get in here. Yo, you don't got time to pack that up. Let's go. Actually, you do. Damn, I thought you folded up. My bad. You just literally boop it out of existence. Never mind.
It just no longer
Just
exists.
boop. Gone. I think that's a flaw. You gotta
There's
set it
also
up to use it.
Motorcycle right there,
You gotta set up to use it, but if you want to take it, you just scoop it. No questions asked. Damon, mark something, please.
Let's do it. I'm gonna be homophobic. My picture's gay. This stick is gay. Telling my brothers I love them, but I don't swing that way.
Got bars.
The trap's still running on Christmas Day. Somebody tell Doja Cat we're trying to indulge in that. Somebody please tell Doja Cat that he's trying to indulge in that.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
No good?
No good.
this is the way I want
Shots
it.
fired?
This is the way I want to go.
Shots fired? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
We can still get to our building though, bro.
Orange rated.
You want to go to the? Oh, you want to go to blue?
Yes.
All right. It's hot, but blue should be okay.
Never mind. Pochinki.
Pochinki.
I might have to coast down this hill. Because of the, there's no gas. Yeah. Do this building to the right here. Fuck it. Hello.
There you go.
I'm here.
Welcome.
I'm here. Ooh, a new vest.
Hello. Sweet.
Oh,
Oh, Lord.
Who's that?
Sounded dangerous.
is that at us?
Whoa.
Church?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it was church.
I don't know, cause I'll pick up this helmet.
It had to have been church. I don't know where else it would have been.
I don't know.
Who has that 8-time?
I have it, but like, so when I went upstairs, you know, there's a door right there, and he shot that wall.
We'll go out this
right
window.
here.
We'll get church from this window and see if you can see anything.
I don't see. Is he in this building?
Oh, he's in front of church. Front of church. Front of church.
I was just seeing him. I don't like this guy. He's mean.
You want to move to a different building? Yo, who parked a Dacia like that?
I don't know, dude. I feel like if we get down in Pochinki, in the streets, it's probably best.
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm going.
Oh,
Oh, that hurt.
no.
Oh no, he's not. He's right here in this window. Blue.
sniped the shit. I sniped the dog shit out here.
There's a squad over
There's
there.
another one.
just ran between. Another one.
Those.
Fuck one up.
Bro, this is insane. Oh, nice throw. Very nice.
Nice
Good shit.
by the way.
Down him again. Down him again.
Push.
You said church building? What?
Upstairs. I'm throwing a grenade up there.
Go on, do it.
Oh, yeah, go, 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 go. One left.
Hell yeah.
Oh, he's pulling up. There's none of them here.
Took care of this whole fucking squad just now.
Right?
Fuck yeah. That was a fucking hell.
They're not all dead. It was that
That's alright.
one of them's still alive. Adrenaline. He's parked over here. That's definitely him in the Dacia. He's like, my whole team died.
Oh no.
Yeah, he ain't coming back now, for sure.
What's up, pussy? What do you wanna do?
Oh my god, all the frags? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up some of them. Don't take them all.
I'm not taking any of them. I was just looking. I wait.
Hey, you're good. You can take them now.
Try to take some F56. Just have it. Oh my.
2 frags on the ground over there if you want them.
Do I give up the shotgun for a sniper?
I don't know, man.
Don't swing that way. Oh, you see them fucking glasses in there?
You want those? You want those, dude?
Yeah.
Don't want to get deeper into Pochinki, like this middle one down here, kind of middle of the circle.
But look at these glasses, bro.
Looking pretty good, dude. Like Ozzy Osbourne.
A little bit of Cartier action, you know. I got this 2 times on this fucking ace is a little nasty.
What's the plan here? What are we doing? We moving?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. In the depths of Pochink.
Hopefully I'm not the one who gets fucking ripped to pieces over here running through this city.
Okay. We in there.
This is the one.
Yup. Close it up.
Why don't we get to this one over like here? Like right next to this red one.
Yeah, I think that
Just so we can
makes
see
more
like
sense.
the street and shit.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Or we could get to that big ass 3-story.
You want
Right
that
over
one?
to the right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, let's find something. This red and blue one? Red and gray one? Red and silver? Oh, fucking fence. Ooh, this door shot out over, not this building.
Oh, I heard a window, 310, window up the street. Not close, but close enough to hear.
Yep. Three-story, this shit's 4-story. This is a good one to escape, because we can jump onto the roof with the next one.
I hear him north. Think he's this one.
The one right next to us?
Yellow.
Yeah, is it right next? No, one over from that.
You just go ahead and move this gas can out of the way. Emergency drop hit right here.
Wait, what?
On blue, there's a guy just fell off an
Emergency
emergency
pickup?
drop. Yeah.
Gotcha.
I don't know why I'm up here, Damon. I don't have a sniper, you do.
So there's a vehicle coming in.
They're passing by the end of the street. I see the guy. He's going for the dossier right here. Just went in the garage. Get ready for him to come out. You can pop him. Yellow mark.
You rolling toward us?
Yup, I hit him a couple times. Knocked him. Dead.
Tough.
Instant.
Tough.
Sorry for the call out and then to kill him.
I'm sorry, I didn't
good.
have an angle. I didn't want to join you guys on the roof and we bear acid up here. You know what I'm saying?
Probably could loot him, I guess.
Well, I guess there's doable.
Where?
It's a 3-story way down the road, 285. It's on the roof.
Oh shit. Let me knock you over there then. I'll be in the open.
You wanna put that mortar up there, Dylan? What's up? I know you seen that
What?
mortar downstairs. Oh wait, no, that's
Is
a
it?
different building. That's a different building.
Oh. Bruh, don't tease me like that, man. Oh my god,
Yeah.
Joe, you scared the fuck out of me.
Sorry.
Started
You said he's
reloading, I ran around the
285?
steps. I thought you were still upstairs. He was on the roof, yeah, 285.
Bet.
He may have jumped down now.
Coming back home. Oh, no, I'm not.
You missed a jump.
Yeah, the roof kind of bounced off. Weird. There's a spotter scope down here too. Would have been perfect. Get that
They're over
mortar.
there on below ping.
Get that mortar with the spotter down here. God damn.
I might go to this other one that's like right over this one. Like,
God damn it, Joe. You keep doing that shit.
Sorry, you saw me fall.
I thought you already came up once, though.
Oh no.
What are we moving to?
You want to move to the other
this
3-story?
one right here.
We all moving?
Yeah. Stick together. Since we're moving up, his body's right over here.
Can we get a drop right here on our head, please?
Cover me.
Please.
Plus everyone else. I was not prepared to cover you, so.
Just watch that building y'all were talking about. A lot of 5.6 and 9 mil.
Somebody's gonna try to go for that drop. I can't wait.
Coming up, Dylan. I'm coming up the stairs, Dylan. I'm coming
Thank
up
you.
the stairs.
To be fair, I haven't shot.
There's a guy in the middle of the street, down the street.
I'm coming up the
Oh,
steps still.
I hit the light pole.
Still coming up, still coming up.
Aw.
I'm up here. This is me. Damn, I don't know why you don't get up on this. So you get a good angle.
I still have a decent chance to win this fucking fantasy game.
Where at? Down the street? 130?
Yeah.
He is down there 130?
There was one I did see, but I can't see him anymore. So.
Oh, Damon, you have an angle on this drop. Get up here. 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 Clear as day.
Are there people
It's just
there?
over the roof. I can see the one you were seeing, Damon. Down the street. He just ran around into the, he's in that one. Keep eyes on that drop, Damo. You right about it. I see him. He's outside again, out front. He moved up another building. He's now in the
Third
next
story
one.
we were at?
No, further down, yellow.
Way back there. Way back there. Gotcha. Sorry, there's a roof in the way here.
Yeah, he's way down there. Don't worry.
And I
about
feel
it.
like we're gonna get shot from the side. I don't want to be.
I mean, we are on one of the taller buildings. We should.
Yeah,
Be right.
but still, they have angles.
Oh yes, he's going to the drop.
Stay low, Damo. Stay low. You're on a pedestal.
Where's the drop at?
It's over the
Damn,
roof of
never
mind.
this house. You can't see it. It's just over this house, 255.
Oh, gotcha.
But if he's up there, he has an angle. Oh, behind you, Damon. Third one, yellow.
That's
Yellow
one.
mark. Yellow mark. Yellow mark, top floor, left window. Far left window, bottom right corner of the window.
Putting shots on to keep that base.
That hurt.
I bet it did.
If it ends downtown in here, I'm trying to stay on the rooftops. 100% on the roof.
Oh, hell yeah.
Like these 5 roofs right here, you can jump from roof to roof.
I mean, it's going to end downtown. It has to.
Yeah. At this point.
Sir.
Like between
Let's
these
just
3
not
roofs.
get hit by a grenade,
Yeah.
for the love of God, you know?
Yeah, like the one I cooked earlier tonight.
All it's gonna take is just one well-cooked grenade.
Cooked one perfectly. It blew up right over this dude. Instantly.
I have some extra files if anybody
Fuck,
wants
it's
it.
towards them. It's towards them. It's towards them.
You want to
Oh,
just
we got
go?
rooftops.
We
can
can
get to that rooftop.
grab this rooftop too, actually.
Let's do it.
Oh shit, damn it. You go ahead.
Oh, just made it. Oh, second floor in that building right there.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
They don't even know. They don't even know. They don't even know. You can kill them. Headshot kill them.
Oh, I'm gonna get a...
Prone is the way to go on this rooftop too, guys, so that way they don't see you. From like over an edge. Prone on the, I'd say, towards the end of the roof. Damn it, you see them. There's a shooting gallery over here, dude. And you're suppressed.
Damon, I thought you were a chimney.
Dylan, just watch that 3-story behind you.
Yeah.
You got him, Damon?
Shot him right in his fucking head,
Marching
bro.
that 4 on the 3-story.
Oh, Damon, come this way, come this way, come this way.
I got shot by a moist nugget. No.
Out of nowhere.
Oh,
I see him.
oh, I shot him in the
Can't
foot.
believe that fucking moist nugget, bro.
Fuck, dude. I'm gonna stay here.
Fucked
got-
up. But
Fuck, man.
Ground behind us.
He doesn't even know. They don't even know.
in the building?
No, they're on the ground.
One just went inside.
Can they get to the stairs?
Come to this window. Come to this window. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Come to this window, bitch. There's one right here.
Yeah. Yo, how do you want to play this? You want to run right
Oh.
back to the buildings we were in, where there's one?
You see him, Joe?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Dylan, we're gonna have to just sprint to that one in a minute. Dylan, there's one to your left on the ground.
I already went.
Go. Go, 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 go. Bro! This Tommy gun. Why do people love the Tommy gun like this? Good shit, Dylan.
Joe, can you get in?
I'm in. I'm gonna make it. I don't know where. Yeah, I don't know where you want me though.
Come toward my wall.
Careful of blue.
Come over here.
I'm coming.
I might push her on the right side of this, Joe.
I'm healing as soon as
Back
I
into the
come
blue
up.
real quick. Yeah. But I'm thinking into the blue around the corner here to the right, then run around. I'm in.
Around into the blue?
Yeah, just what I just did right there.
Fuck.
I don't know the move now.
Rotate.
Where do you want to go?
We're gonna have to go for this trench in a minute. There's one above us though. Just so you know.
Yep.
I'm in.
No,
I'm
where
in there.
at?
I'm in there.
Fuck me! They got me. Yo, you might be able
Yeah,
to get me up.
I'm throwing this fire. Stay still. Stay still. That fire's gonna hold him at bay.
Up top of you.
Good
Oh my
shit,
god,
Joe.
Joe.
Stop. 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 Stop.
I'm sorry.
You and me. One more. Heal up.
One.
Yep.
No, he's down here, right?
Yeah, he's in there.
In the tunnel?
He's in there. Go to the edge and heal. Get to the edge and heal like I am. He's in there. He's 100% in there.
You go up?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh shit, Joe.
I don't know. I don't think he's down there. Doesn't look like it.
Reload that, Joe.
Yeah. I have no idea where this kid is. I'm pretty sure I
Maybe
can
the
out
bush?
heal him.
There it is.
On fire.
Oh,
On fire,
Oh.
baby.
Woo!
Fire
Two
and
in a
shot
row.
down. Good shit.